teman-teman, apa kabar semuanya? Aku udah ketawa duluan di bawah anak-anak sekarang. Nah, aku itu dikirim link sama salah satu teman-teman untuk ngeprank pakai darah. Nah, ini dia teman-teman yang dikirim sama Yeni Toserba. Makasih banyak Yeni. Oh my god. Dia kirim link ini, nanti aku kasih linknya juga buat teman-teman di deskripsi ya. Kalau kalian belum nonton, tonton deh, ini lucu banget. Prank darah ini dari channelnya Gilang Barbie. So ya, nanti kalau udah selesai nonton video aku, tonton video ini. Kebetulan di sini mau Halloween, jadi aku tadi ke supermarket, aku dapet ini darah-darahan. Nggak tahu ini gimana, real apa enggak. Anak-anak lagi makan di bawah dinner. Let's see. Aku mau ngeprank hari ini. Coba kita prank. Nggak tahu aku gimana. Aku tuh orangnya ya gitulah, nggak bisa prank teman-teman. Tapi kita coba ya. Berkali-kali aku selalu gagal kan. Kita coba sekali lagi. Let's go. Ganti baju kali ya. Karena nanti kan darahnya. Wila darah, ini darah. Kita ganti baju yang butut. Baju butut apa? Bajunya Mas Dan. Right, oke teman-teman. Ceritanya aku sekarang mau pasang kamera juga di situ di hallway, pakai HP biar kelihatan dari sana sini. Kan udah ada kamera satu ini dan aku pikir mungkin kamera dua lebih lebih kelihatan.
What you doing? Mom, are you okay? Mom, are you okay? Are you fighting me? Are you pranking me? This is a prank, isn't it? Come. Mom, are you okay?
Derp. Derpity derp 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 diddy derp.
Are you pranking me? You're pranking me. We did this for 5 minutes. No, you haven't. Mom. Nice prank, guys. Nice one. Oh, Mom. How did I do that? Stop. Mama, you getting open? Okay. Go back on there. Okay. Go. Wait a minute. Okay, go. Oh, what is that? Alright, okay, go. Go on then. You have to stop coughing first. Okay. Andre, Mom's joking.
Mom! She's pranking us.
Andre, get water. Get some water. Get some water. Nice prank, Mom. Nice prank, baby. That's one thing. Okay, Mom.
This my kid never been pranked.
Okay.
I know it's just a joke. Nice joke. Nice joke.
How did you know that was a joke?
So teman-teman, begitulah pranknya. Tidak jadi, gagal maning teman-teman. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Aku pikir hari ini mungkin oke karena udah lama nggak ngeprank, terus kamera suka ada di situ anyway. Dan aku udah masih tadi udah kayak, oh kenapa Mam kamu keselak kenapa? Tapi lama-lama ini kamu ngeprank gitu kan. Terus kalau mungkin tadi nggak kelihatan kameranya, mungkin dia percaya. Dan aku juga pengen ketawa sih tadi. So anyway, aku prank lagi si Andre, kata si Om, dia udah prank si Andre. Nggak bisa, ini prank, pasti prank. Sampai-sampai si Tim pun nggak bisa. So anyway, teman-teman begitulah. Kalau kalian, anybody want to watch, siapa aja yang mau nonton gagal prank, ke channel saya, oke? Karena I'm the master of gagal prank. Anyway, gitu aja dulu teman-teman. Let's try again, shall we? Kalian kirim lagi linknya atau apalah prank seperti apa yang harus aku lakukan yang kayak lebih lebih true mungkin atau gimana, I don't know teman-teman. I don't know. I'm not a prankster. Okay, anyway, gitu aja dulu. Right.
Mommy, is it ice cream time?
No, listen. Man-teman sent you this specially
Okay.
for Timmy. Now, open it.
What is it?
Have a look. Daddy also don't know.
Daddy! This
Oh wow! What is that?
is incredible!
That is Indonesian doll.
Oh, so we've got some Indonesian toys.
That is 1 minute. What is the name of that?
Bang, bang.
Show it.
Gods.
Ondel. See, is that saying?
Ondel, ondel.
Say ondel, Tim.
Ondel.
That's a beautiful.
Hello.
No, leave it.
What do I do with ondel?
You play like any other teddies, so you have more teddies.
Whoa, these are like so cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Ondel.
nice. Somebody
I
thought of us.
like to do it.
Hey, which one's which? Oh.
One is abang, and one is none. The one you hold, baby, is none.
None, I'm None.
Say I am abang.
I'm Abang.
Hey, Nonne. Bang.
Hello.
Nonne.
Nonne.
Are they husband and wife?
Abang None, yeah.
Oh, give me a kiss.
Because they
Mwah.
both they nearly look the same.
They do, don't they?
Yeah. But she has the pink hair and the spotted stuff. He has a red cloak and the like silver one. And the like flowers are the same.
Tea bottle,
like
no?
it? Hmm?
Tea bottle.
I don't know. Is it a bottle
Yeah.
inside? No,
Something
darling.
like that. Yeah, it's like,
It's not the bottle.
you can see the bottle.
Yeah, but not the bottle.
No, I mean, something, it still
Oh,
feels
ini
like a-
botol
yeah.
dalamnya.
It's
Show,
cool.
show, show.
Well, I don't want to take away the majesty of it, but it's good recycling.
It's good recycling made out of bottle,
We
teman-teman.
should do more of this in this world, you know? It's good. This is
Hello.
upcycling, they call it.
Upcycling.
Yeah.
What did
So,
you say?
you still remember what their names?
I'm Nunu.
Nunu.
Am I Nunu? Nonne.
Yeah.
No.
And you are
Abang.
Abang. Oh,
Abang
look,
Nonne.
Abang lost some bits.
I'm Abang Nonne.
It's like,
You're Abang and that's None. Say hello, Abang.
Hello, Abang.
You're Abang, Timmy.
yeah.
Daddy is None.
Hey, Abang.
Hey, Nonne.
Hey.
I have no feet.
Apa kabar? Ah, no, you've lost something. Abang.
Hello.
Sayang. I'm going bobo.
Hello.
I'm very chappy.
I'm ready. Wake up in the morning. Thank you so much, Batman. Oh no, the hair fell off.